Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Workast Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. Next, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install. Once that's done, click on it. From here, click on Install and allow an install. Refresh your page, scroll down on your sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. In this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab. The documentation tab contains information about this application. The next tab is the tutorial tab. The tutorial tab contains a video and smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up this application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To set up the application, click on Start. Next, head to your Workast account online, click on your profile, and next on Preferences. From there, click on API and create API token. Next, copy your API token, head back to your account, and paste it where required, and you click on Complete. The next tab is the support tab. Here, you can create tickets or book live calls with our support team in case you have any issues. And finally, we have the changelog tab. This tab keeps you updated on any changes that are being made in the application. And you can also receive notifications about changes by toggling this on, filling in your email address, and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content.